is you. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. So 2018 was a very much pathetic year for me. There are no ups, there are only downs, and absolute downs. So the deal is this: 2018 was a very much pathetic year for me. 2018 sucks, in my opinion. So like every other bad period and bad time, 2018 is now absolute history books. So in order to make your 2019 the most amazing year in the history of your entire life, today we will talk about top 5 things that you can do this 2019 to make your 2019 amazing. So the number one thing that I want you to do this to a new year is stop thinking what people care about you. This is something in my opinion absolute sucks in my entire life. Now I am the kind of person who wants to everybody like me, but the fact of the matter is this: it does not matter how good you are, it does not matter how amazing you look, it does not matter how your attitude is, there are still people out there who want to hate you for absolute no reason, and there is something you can do anything about it. I want that people like me, but the fact that is this: no one, absolute no one, you can make every single one in the history of mankind happy. So digest this. There are some people out there who wanna talk shit about you, and it depends on you. If you give damn to them, then you will never ever be that much happy that you should be. Absolute. The fact is this: you deserve to be happy. Please. Number 2, I want you to do your workout. The deal is this: there are people out there who don't even work out every single day, but in order to help you to make your 2019 the most amazing in the history of year, so please start working out every freaking day. Go get a gym membership and work on your ass every freaking day. And believe it or not, trust me, if you work out every single day of 2019, you're gonna have chisel pecs, super sexy six-pack abs, and absolute big guns. So start working out right now. Number 3, start consuming healthy diet. Now you become what you eat. Now keep in mind this: if you start working out and plus eating well, oh my god, you are doing absolute amazing job in terms of your health. If you work out every single day in 2019, if you consume very specific and healthy diet 2019, in 2020 you're gonna have the chisel pecs, super sexy, amazing six-pack abs, also amazing thin like me. Okay, this is something I got a master injury. I talk about last Bangali Babu blog. Check this out. Number 4, I want you to do something very specific. I want you to do something, make a to list that you gonna have. There are some specific things that I want that I have to achieve in this 2019. So I want you to make a very specific list. What are the goals and what are the specific things that you want in 2018? Make a list and make sure to achieve this every freaking day, because without a plan or without any goal, you are absolute idiot. And the last but certainly not least, the 5th thing that I want you to do this new year to make your 2019 amazing is do these specific things every freaking day. The deal is this, brother, digest this: concentration is the key. If you work out every freaking day, if you start consuming amazing healthy diet every freaking day, if you stop thinking what people care about you, if you consume proper water, then your 2020 will be amazing, because in 2019 you are doing very good job. Because when you work out every freaking day, your muscle will look amazing. Your chest, oh my god, like Arnold Schwarzenegger, amazing, kissable, absolute chest. Because we all know girls dig big chest. So in order to kick your 2019 ass every freaking day, you should do these 5 simple things every freaking day to make your 2019 most amazing in the history of year.